All right. So first off, what we are seeing on our screen is BTC USD. So for us to know what we're expecting on BTC, if you check our past recordings on this, when we started doing this market weekly outlook, it's been very helpful. It made everybody to understand the direction of what they're expecting. Let's say that we're expecting to buy for this week. There will be more buys for this week. Does not mean that they can't be sold. But just when I say that there will be more buy, just not when you do. Oh, thank you. So what it means is that if I say that there'll be more buys on BTC or USDT or whatever currency pair that we're analyzing, that does not mean that they can't be sold during the week. But when you follow or when you buy more, you make a lot of money from the market. So seeing this chart now, seeing BTC USD, let's start from let's analyze. Let's digest this market properly. On the monthly time frame, right? On the monthly time frame, what's market giving us? Mm, all right. So on the monthly time frame, what's the direction of the market? The direction of the market is apparently saying that what we are currently on, we are currently what in an uptrend, right? So now I'll come over to the weekly time frame. The reason I'm coming to the weekly time frame now is to know the market giving me a reversal pattern on the weekly time frame. Now, what I'm trying to make you understand is correlation between time frames of with pattern and candlesticks. That's how I used to trade. So that before I start using trend line is just for FISI, for your back people say that FISI or Jara. So, but understanding the correlation between pattern, candlesticks, in correlation with time frames, like the daily, the monthly time frame, will always make you understand when to buy, when to exit, and also when to double down to as well. So this pattern is not giving me a pattern to sell yet. So there should be more buy. So when I come to the daily time frame, what I'm expecting before I buy now for this week, what I'm expecting market to do is what? To form a W pattern. To form a W pattern on the daily time frame. So this you probably cannot call that this can be just a retracement for market to start pushing up. So on the 4 hours time frame, I come over to the 4 hours time frame. So what you be expecting here now around this area here is what? A W pattern formation, not sell for this week. A W pattern formation. So when you see a pattern forming here, giving you a W pattern, then market will do, there'll be more buys this week. There'll be more buys this week. So that's what I'm expecting market to do. As simple and straightforward like that on BTC USD. There should be more buys on BTC USD this week. All right. So please pay attention to it and make money for yourself as well. So BTC USD is buy. There should be more. There should be majorly buy this week. Only when market forms that pattern, please. If market don't form that pattern, then they will be sell. Expect if W pattern form on 4 hours and daily time frame, then just now there'll be more buys this week, please. Very important. I'll go over to the GBP USD. I'll come over to GBP USD. Let me delete this. Same thing. We come over to the monthly time frame. I get to the monthly time frame. When I come to the monthly time frame, what am I expecting on the monthly time frame, please? Simple and straightforward. I want to know the direction of the monthly time frame. What direction is the market giving? Apple is no brainer. Market is selling. Market is on the downtrend structure on what? On the monthly time frame. Now, market on the downtrend structure, I'll come over to the weekly time frame to know if there's any reversal pattern. Same thing. If there's any reversal pattern at all, the market is giving to us. So there's no reversal pattern the market is giving to us. So I'll be expecting more of sell. So on the daily time frame, I'm expecting market to form an M pattern or an M pattern to start selling more on GU on GU. So for this kind of thing now, for this kind of analysis here, What you're going to expect market to do now is to what? You check your weekly time frame. Yes, I'm expecting market to push up for GU, please. I'm expecting market to push up. That means you're going to form a W pattern like this. You should push up like this. Push up to certain area here or breaks out from here, but they should majorly sell on GU. Do you understand? Market should push up a little bit. That push up is going to give you is a short buy. Push up a little bit. The only time it's going to be a long-term buy is if the weekly time frame starts forming a W pattern. If the weekly time frame starts forming a W pattern. Now you understand why. If you understand the reason why Jeffrey always say understand the pattern of repair, understand the candlestick of repair, because this is what when you understand it very well, this is what literally makes you money from the market. Because when I tell you that structures is what form pattern, waves also form pattern. So if you understand the pattern of the market at that particular point in time, on each time frame, it becomes easier for you to dissect what market want to do at a particular point in time. So that's how easy trading is supposed to be. So I'll come over to US 30. I'll come over to US 30. I'll come over to US 30. On US 30, is that like it's no brainer? Yeah. If you're trading US 30, just keep on buying. Buy. The only time we look for. I'll come over to the 4 hours time frame. Oh, it's a buy, guys. Like on US 30, what I'm expecting market to do now is market pushes down a little bit here and push up here. That's my analysis on US 30. That's my analysis on US 30. This is my analysis on US 30. US 30 is more of buys too as well. US 30 is more of buys too, please. Don't sell. Don't you sell US 30. So I'll come over to gold. We'll go over to the daily time. Sorry, we'll go over to the Monday time frame to understand the direction of the market. It's giving us a buy. I'll come over to the weekly time frame to know if there's any reversal pattern on the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame now, we're expecting to see an M pattern formation. All right, guys. So for gold should buy. Gold should buy. If gold is buying, gold should buy to this particular area here before planning on selling. Gold should buy to this particular area before planning on selling, before thinking of selling. Okay? This is my analysis on gold. Gold to think more buys before you start thinking of selling, guys. Before you start thinking of selling. Okay? What other currency pair do you want me to analyze? We have analyzed BTC. We analyzed GBP USD. We analyzed US 30. We analyzed XAU USD. What other currency pair do you want me to analyze? You can write it down. What other currency pair do you want me to analyze, please? Well, someone is telling me that gold will be more of sales this week. Enter. You can enter. But gold should buy before selling. I said gold should buy before selling. All right? But if woe betide you, enter here for sell. Trust me, there's no how your village people won't call you this week. Okay? Okay, EU. EU. Okay, I'm going to GBP JPY, Euro US dollars. Okay, nice. GBP JPY and Euro US dollars. Okay? GBP JPY. JPY. What's our direction on GBP JPY? Let's go over towards monthly time frame. Same thing. Just same thing. Wow. Monthly time frame. Nice. The weekly time frame. Please, if you're on GBP JPY, you should do more buys on GBP JPY, please. Don't sell. More buys, guys. More buys on GBP JPY this week. More buys on GBP JPY this week. There should be more buys. Euro US dollar. EUR USD. Euro US dollars. All right. On Euro USD, I come over to the monthly time frame. Let me reset my screen. Okay. Come over to the weekly time frame. I'll come over to the daily time frame. Please, for Euro USD, is buy. Market should buy to this point. Is buy, please. Euro USD, more buys. Market should buy up to this point. All right. Any other currency pair, please? NAS 100. All right. NAS 100. NAS 100. FXCM. NAS 100. Huh. Wow. On weekly time frame, I come over to the weekly time frame. For NAS, please, anybody trading NAS 100, please kindly do more buys this week, guys. Kindly do more buys for NAS 100. Like market will be bullish this week. Wow. Like market will literally be bullish this week. Interesting. For NAS 100, market should do more buys this week. All right. NAS 100 more buys. So that is it basically. Any other currency pair again? Any other currency pair? Any other pair? Any other pair? Any other pair, guys? Any other pair? Any other pair? So that's it basically. That's my analysis on BTC. That's my analysis on GU. That's my analysis on US 30, gold, last 100, then GBP JPY as we predicted. So let's make an amazing money this week. Definitely. See, please, one thing you should always understand that because I'm saying that it's more buy, doesn't mean that they will sell. I'll repeat again. Does not mean that you'll be like little bit sell, but majorly when you follow this analysis through with gospel, trust me, you make a lot of money this week. Okay, we have been doing this back to back every week, every week, every week. Okay, so yeah, Ben is asking me my analysis on G. Probably you came late. Probably you came late. So I think after this, the recordings will be sent to you so you can watch it and understand my my bias on this currency pairs, on each and every currency pairs that we just analyzed now. All right. So if you have any questions based on this, can you let me know so we can call it a night. If you have any questions based on this, can you let me know so we can call it a night. Not some analysis on G or anything. Do you have any question on okay, why you say this, why you say that? How do you analyze? That's the kind of question I want. Not what's your analysis on G. I already did that already, guys. Okay? I already did that already. All right, thank you so much for coming through to this class. I really appreciate your time, your effort, your energy you're putting in at the same time. And the midnight candles you're burning too, guys. Like for you, at the end of the day, it's all too bizarre. OC, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How you doing?
I'm okay. So yeah, we was looking at the gold chart and the Euro USD charts. I kind of saw on the higher time frame that they both created like a head and shoulder and retesting the neckline of the head and shoulder on both. So me, I'm trying to say, or I'm trying to think if these highs are like new higher highs and higher lows they are trying to create. It has come to retest the neckline. to create another high. If possibly, it's trying to drop to break the new lows it just created.
I tell you that they like see understand what I'm saying. I said for gold, yeah, market should buy before selling. Do you understand? I'm not saying that they will not be sold. The market will definitely buy
Okay.
before it starts selling. Do you understand? Market
Okay.
can exactly. Exactly now.
Oh, okay.
That's what I said on gold.
Okay. Yeah, very well.
So it has to buy first before you can start thinking about selling. It won't sell from here, guys.
Oh,
You don't have to push up a little bit before you start thinking about selling.
definitely. I see what you're talking about. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I say your love for structure is amazing. Nice. Thank you so much. That's it. Okay, another person is raising up his hand. As a scheduler, can you unmute yourself, please?
Good evening, Sir William.
Yeah, good evening, King. How you doing?
Fine, how is today, sir?
I'm very good.
All right. My question, just want to know, because in the afternoon you said the BTC will sell. I just want to know why, what you saw that made you say that.
That made me say what, sorry?
You said in the afternoon you said BTC will sell, that it will sell before buying.
Yes.
So I just want to know what you saw that made you say that. Because as for me, I was seeing a buy.
I saw BTC.
So, but
as a scheduler, the same person that came to me that came, was it last week again? I say you saw a sell and I saw a buy. But the same person again, Abi?
No. I'm not the one. No.
I just saw a sell. What I literally did was I know market is going to sell before we can start talking about before we can start saying that market will buy. Do you understand? I know market is going to sell apparently. Why? Because now because of we are trading on the 15 minutes time frame, I have to now use the daily time frame. You see how we're able to how flexibility comes in here. So because of we are day traders, I now have to use the daily time frame. So I know our market has already pushed up already. I told you it was an uptrend, apparently. But market is going to sell.
Yes.
So I now came to the 4 hours time frame. I saw this candlestick here. It was burning out. I said, okay. What I was not looking out for on the 1 hour was information of an end pattern, which I told you on the live. The market is going to like this formation.
Yes.
It's not about pattern, guys. Trust me. It's not about pattern. Like you just have to understand pattern. When I saw this pattern, I thought market will drop. Market will drop before it ever start thinking about buying. Market will definitely drop. So when market dropped, I just thought, okay, this is another pattern place to buy BTC. As I said, but there'll be more buy on BTC too as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, too.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate.
All right.
All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for people that also ask questions. And thank you for people that also understood properly. Please, let's make money this week. Like, I'm ready. I'm active. Even Chivita said even active with me. So, guys, I'm active. All right. Take care of yourself and have an amazing night, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming to this class. I really appreciate it.